What a great summer we had this year. As Superintendent of Santa Fe Public Schools, I want to thank everyone. That includes our Board of Education, staff, the City of Santa Fe, our business and community partners, and most importantly, our parents, for keeping our students engaged and involved with our free summer programming. The response from students and parents was astounding. Our programs attracted over 5,000 students, setting an all-time record. That represents just under 50% of Santa Fe Public Schools' total enrollment. Students took part in programs like Math Adventure Camp, Go-Kart Camp, and Rock Band Camp, participated in summer athletic conditioning, and landed summer internships with local businesses, and even bolstered their literacy skills. Edwin, a Santa Fe Public Schools fourth grader, designed a custom keychain in Tinkercad that he created with a 3D printer in summer coding camp at Ramirez Thomas Elementary. Mia, a Santa Fe Public Schools second grader, built a zoo with Lego engineering blocks during Imagination Station summer camp at Nino Otero Community School. Capitol High School's Alexandria was a work-based learning intern at Las Campanas, where she honed her customer service skills while working at the front desk and with various departments. And the Spanish Splash Camp helps students maintain and learn Spanish while learning more about New Mexico and our amazing city. All these experiences provide a leg up as students enter school in August. They've stayed involved in learning over the summer. They've expanded their social skills, connecting with friends while making new acquaintances. They've stayed active and healthy. They've uncovered new talents. They've envisioned a world after graduation, and overall, they've become more confident. The summer of 2024 was so much fun, and I can't wait to do it all over again next summer. But first, we're excited to welcome students back to school. There are so many discoveries that await. A wonderful year of education and adventure is on the horizon. No matter what school you go to, who your teacher is, or what type of activity you participate in, you are part of Santa Fe Public Schools, and we are here to support you. Let's get to it.